colored ducks went out one day, waddling and giggling all the way. Mama duck said, "Quack, let's explore." And the 5 little ducks swam from shore. One duck was red like a shiny apple bright, dancing and splashing in the sunlight. Quack, 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 what a happy sight! 5 little colored ducks having fun today. 5 little colored ducks swam near a tree, looking around as happy as can be. One duck was orange like a pumpkin round, wiggling its tail and spinning around. Quack, 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 come and play. 5 little colored ducks on their way. 5 little colored ducks floated downstream, playing together like a colorful dream. Another one duck was yellow like the morning sun, flapping its wings and having fun. Quack, 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 can you say yellow duck is bright today? Quack, quack, quack. 5 little colored ducks paddled near some flowers, playing and laughing for hours and hours. One duck was green like the grass below, splashing through water nice and slow. Quack, 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 look and see, green ducks swim so happily. 5 little colored ducks sailed through the blue, learning new colors just like you. One duck was blue like the sky so high, watching fluffy clouds drift by. Quack, 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 float away, blue duck loves a sunny day. 5 little colored ducks swam around a bend, looking for colors with every friend. A tiny duck was purple like grapes on a vine, twirling and spinning, feeling fine. Quack, 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 what a view! Purple duck says, "I like you." Red, orange, yellow too, green and purple and blue. Quack along and sing with me, colors are fun as fun can be. Red, orange, yellow, bright, green and blue in the light. Purple joins the colorful crew, now you know the colors too. 5 little colored ducks swam back home, no more adventures left to roam. Mama duck smiled with joyful cheer, great job learning colors here. Quack, 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 quack. It's time to say thanks for learning colors today. Wave goodbye and count to 5. Keep those colors bright and alive. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, all were seen. Quack, 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 hooray, hooray, we'll learn more colors